Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop on to remind you what an array is because it's in our session this week and it might have been a little bit of time since you've heard that language. So an array is a group of objects arranged in equal rows and equal columns. So we use it when we're doing multiplication. It's a visual strategy so that we can see the multiplication sentence in a picture. And so I am going to show you like 2 times 4. What does that look like in an array? So I'm thinking 2 columns, 4 rows. Remember, columns go up and down. Here, I'm going to put it right next to my word. Columns go up and down. Rows go side to side. So if I have 2 columns and then 4 rows, I'm going to do... So I have 2 columns, 2 lines going up and down, and 4 rows going side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the biggest part of an array is it needs to be equal columns and equal rows, which means if I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, this right here, it's not an array. It's not equal. 1 column has 3 and 1 column has 2. So it does not count. So another example of an array. If I want to do 3 times 4, I can do 3 columns and 4 in each column. That's an array. It has equal rows and equal columns, and it's a group of objects that's been arranged. Now, what we don't see is when we think of multiplication, a lot of the times if you see 2 times 5, you're thinking 2 groups of 5. So you might draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a group, and there's a group. And that does represent 2 times 5, but that is drawing it out. It's not an array, which is specifically groups of objects in columns and rows. So even though this does show 2 times 5, it is not an array. So I wanted to pop on so that you could see that difference. Thanks, guys.